What if I told you that your television might be collecting more information about you than your phone? From what you watch to how long you watch it, or even what you search for, smart televisions quietly collect information at the background. But the good news is that you can take control. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to turn off data on your smart television, no matter the brand. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are concerned about privacy, digital safety and tech control, you are the right place. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because small settings like this make a big difference. Most modern televisions are smart TVs. This means that they can connect to the internet, run applications like Netflix and YouTube, and yes, they collect data. Television manufacturers says that this helps them improve performance and personalize recommendations. But in reality, much of this data is used for targeted advertising and viewing analytics. Your television may collect what shows and channels you watch, how long you watch them, what apps you use, your location, the voice command if control is enabled. These features are often called automatic content recognition or ACR. Let's start with steps that apply to almost every smart television. First, grab your remote and open settings. Look for options like privacy, terms and policies, viewing and information, user agreements. These sections are with data collections, so setting is usually live. If you see anything labeled viewing data, live plus, content recognition, interest-based ads, turn it off. This is one of the most important steps to limit tracking. For Samsung televisions, open settings, go to general and privacy, select privacy, turn off viewing information services, disable interest-based advertisement. This stops Samsung from tracking what you watch. For LG televisions, open settings, go to general, select system, choose additional settings, turn off live plus, disable personalized ads. Once disabled, LG no longer tracks viewing habits. For Sony and Android televisions, open settings, go to device preferences, select privacy, turn off usage and diagnostic, disable ads personalization. This also reduces Google's data collection. For Roku televisions, go to settings, select privacy, choose advertising, turn on limit ad tracking, disable smart TV experience. Roku is ad heavy and this step is essential. If your television has a microphone or voice assistant, disable voice recognition. Turn off always listening features. This prevents voice commands from being recorded. If your television has built-in camera, turn it off in settings or cover it physically. This is simple but very effective. One smart move is using a streaming device like a Chromecast, Fire Stick,
or Apple TV, or keeping your Apple television offline. This limits how much data your television can collect. Here is an important tip. After your television software updates, privacy can reset. Always double check your data settings after an update. Here is a recap of all we've done. Disable viewing data and ACR. Turn off ad personalization. Limit voice and camera access. Review privacy settings regularly. Your television should entertain you and not spy on you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share this with someone who owns a smart television and probably has no idea this is happening. Subscribe for more simple tech tips that protects your privacy. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.